Hi, I'm Mohit. I represent Chaitanya Geeti. We're a club of singers who range from classical music to Western music.
Hi, I'm Saurabh. I represent Chaitanya Vadya. Similarly, we have instrumentalists from Indian classical instrumentalists to Western instrumentalists, and usually we collaborate with members of Chaitanya Geeti, and we put up various performances in and outside of college.
Hey guys, we are EDC CBI, Entrepreneurship Development Cell. We are with the motto of entrepreneurizing ideas if we are developing entrepreneurs in India.
Do you want to be an entrepreneur and you don't know where to look at and where to start? We're here for you. We're the platform which helps students brainstorm their ideas towards their business and help them make success.
Hi everybody, I'm Karthik. I'm the president of Chaitanya Lasya, also known as United Dance Crew. We are the official dance crew of CBIT. We not only perform in our college, we also perform outside our college all over the Telangana for different competitions. We are ready with pretty good concepts for the theme Resurgence for the Shruti 2021. Let's meet for Shruti.
Geeti and Vadya have been to many competitions all around Hyderabad. For example, BITS, Vasavi, MGIT, etc. And we've bagged a lot of prizes in all of these contests.
And for this year's Shruti, we have two events. One is Shruti Idol. So in this competition, this is for light and contemporary singers, and you'll be judged on your range in Western genres.
Arohana is a singing competition for classically trained vocalists. So you'll be judged according to your knowledge in classical music. So this year we've come up with many fun sets for you guys to enjoy from the comfort of your home. Please do join us on day 2 and day 1 of Shruti cultural events.
We are the core committee of Chaitanya Krida, the sports club of CBIT for the academic year 2020 and 2021. We conduct various inter-college tournaments and our national tournament Aura.
Every year, different indoor and outdoor sports are held for the students and staff, and certificates and awards distributed for the winners.
We write to taste life twice, in the moment and in retrospection. We write to be able to transcend our lives, to reach beyond them. Goes a very well-known adage whose truest manifestation, I am sure, has been cognized by each and every CBITian over the course of his or her association with CBIT's very own Journalistic Society and Writers Collective, Mansen.
Back in 2011, the seeds of our club were sown by our pioneer, Ms. Kirtana Bhavanaka, and ever since then, our club has only witnessed an exponential growth. Our very own successful alumni is a testimony to this very fact.
Categorizing Transcendent as a club is truly an understatement. In reality, it uses writing as a base to form life, social, soft, hard, and multiple other literary skills. More than a club, it's a community of writing enthusiasts whose main focus is one thing only: to learn from each other and to grow together.
We hold an annual event called Impresario where there are 500 participants across many states and with 50 colleges involved.
The sole purpose of this club is to provide a supporting platform for all the young budding entrepreneurs. We are EDC.
Hello everyone, we are from IEEE. IEEE stands for Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. IEEE is one of the world's largest technical organizations with over 39 societies and various other affiliation groups. IEEE CBIT student chapter has been founded way back in 1993, and we currently have 3 societies, which are the Computer Science Society, the Power Energy Society, and the Signal Processing Society. We also have the Women in Engineering affiliation group.
Being the most active and the largest technical clubs of CBIT, we organize technical workshops, webinars, mentorship programs, and skill development programs exclusively for IEEE members and to the students of our college, to sharpen their technical skills and bridge the gap between industry and college. We are looking forward to having a great interaction with the juniors, and our membership drive is coming soon, so stay tuned.
This is Chaitanya Samskruti. I, Ritik Thakur, the president of the club, and this is my team.
We hold the rich heritage of CBIT.
Chaitanya Samskruti is a cultural club of CBIT, and we organize the most awaited annual fest, Shruti.
This club is a culmination of arts and cultures.
Chaitanya Samskruti does not give up despite these circumstances. So this year we are holding it online.
Our CBIT family has planned exciting performance for you, so please join us.
Greetings everyone. We represent the core committee of CBIT Union 2021. It all started way back in 2011 when a group of debate enthusiasts envisioned a platform where debate and diplomacy could come together, with the participants not just have fun but could take up roles of political leadership.
Confining CBIT MUN as a mere club would be an understatement, because we have 3 other initiatives like the Social Responsibility Department, the Young Leaders Program, and the Training Team Initiative. the idea behind which is all-round development and giving something back to the society.
We've had 9 glorious editions and we've had a marvelous delegate count of over 5,000 delegates pouring in well across the board. Additionally, it is due to our well-decorated alumni in whom we take immense pride. It is due to their well-consistent efforts. The wings of the Golden Dove could be well spread across.
Hi, I am Sushil Kumar, President of the Writers and Poets Club of CBIT.
Hi, I'm Janvi, Vice President of Writers and Poets Club of CBIT. We, the zestful and youngest club of CBIT, are here to bring out talent out of you in respect of religion, caste, creed and gender. We really would like to encourage you to come up with your writings and poetry in this club so that we could represent our college and nation all through. Thank you.
Toastmasters CBIT is the only non-technical club with an international reach. Our aim is to provide students with a platform to develop their impromptu and public speaking skills with our events, workshops and weekly meetings.
Every year, we have new and enthralling events that test a person's verbal ability and spontaneity. These events have helped improve their improvisation skills.
Toastmasters as a club have organized 3 large-scale events in the past 1 year. One of them is Ignite. Ignite was about coping with mental stress and also health. We've also organized one more event called Empowerment, which was about building a safer community for women in the pandemic. We've organized a 4-week workshop called Speak Up Program, which encouraged a lot of students from CBIT to develop their vocational skills.
So join us on the first day of Shruti and win exciting prizes.
Communicando, which stands for Commune I Can Do, basically means that communication can be done by both you and I. Communicando is the literary club of CBIT and also the most elite and oldest club of CBIT. Transforming students into dynamic orators in both English and the regional languages, Communicando houses some of the best talents in the state and also is a proud host of Literati.
We are the proud hosts of 10 editions of Literati with over 1,000 participants. We have collaborated with prestigious organizations like Terribly Tiny Tales, Human Library, the Write Club Hyderabad and Unerased Poetry this year. Apart from this, we have exciting events like Whodunit and Mr. and Miss Literati. Communicando is all set to host its Literati 11 online this year. We promise it's going to be bigger and better. Thank you.
The Robotics and Innovations Club of CBIT was formed in the year 2016 by Ram Ananya. The main focus of the club is to nurture the interest over robotics and make them be pioneers in the field of robotics.
As part of this club, we conduct various hands-on sessions and workshops, not only to make them familiar with various types of equipment used in robotics, but also to nurture their young minds.
Not just sessions and workshops, we have been actively investing time and efforts in our research and development. Vivo is one such outcome of our research team.
In par with research, Robotics and Innovation Club hosts a national-wide robotic event called RoboVanza, in which we have multiple events like RoboWars, Robo Wild Soccer, and etc.
Finally, the club is not just a group of people, but it's a fraternity.
Hi, I'm Shravya. I'm the president of Streetcar CBIT. Streetcar CBIT is formed in the year 2009. From past 11 years, we have impacted many people. We are a team of 100 plus volunteers and 20 plus board members. We have extended our services in the fields of education, environment, women empowerment, orphanages, old age homes, and social initiatives. We also had an opportunity to adopt villages across various regions of Telangana. And we have organized major fundraising events like Voice of Hyderabad, Talent Shia, Khelo Hyderabad, Sparta, and many more. We are privileged to do such events and we are looking forward to do many more in future.
Welcome to our Arts and Crafts Club Chaitanya. Our club is a platform for the CBIT students to exhibit their arts and crafts. In the complete history of CBIT, our club is the only club which showcases your arts and crafts.
A small start in the year 2018 for made us to form this club. The main aim of this club is to encourage all the youngsters in the CBIT as well as to showcase their performance in art gallery as well as to conduct workshops and competitions. We would like to express our deepest gratitude for the generous support given to the CBIT. Thanks.
I'm Karthik and we are from the Environmental Club of CBIT Parivrita. With our motto, Protect to be Protected, we spread a word about the frightening consequences that we have to face if we don't pay attention to our surroundings, and we work for the welfare of the nature and to enrich and educate the people to live in peace and harmony with the nature and also to lead a sustainable life.
Dear PG body of NSS, when a good deed is done, the happiness one receives pops in his or her eyes.
What attracted me in NS is the concept of unity and diversity. Its main focus is on honesty and selfless service.
Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can.
Sometimes a small step taken in the right direction can bring a lot of good change.
At CBIT and NSS, we work as a happy family. Mentors and faculty coordinators are very energetic and supportive.
We are proud to be a part of NSS.
In the end, it's all about the motto we stand by.
Bring back humanity!
Hello guys, we are coordinators of ChemSpark. ChemSpark is official technical fest of Department of Chemical Engineering of CBIT. Our main objective for this ChemSpark is to bring together various industrialists, research scholars and students from all over India so that they can share their knowledge.
One of the main misconceptions that everyone has is chemical engineering is quite related to chemistry. So the main focus of this year's event is to make sure that everyone understands the difference between the same. So all the informal events have been curated very specifically so that anyone with no or just minimum knowledge on chemical engineering can come participate and also at the same time learn the difference between the same.
Hi, we are from CBIT Open Source Community. COSC was established in the year 2017 and is an open source focused tech community.
Our vision is to promote open source culture, and since its establishment, we have created awareness about open source culture and technology to over 1,500 students by conducting hackathons, bootcamps and workshops. We seek to build a tight-knit community for aspiring individuals, and we are here to support, motivate and learn together. We hope to see you in our future events.
Mechanica is the part of SUDI 2021, that is the technical fest of CBIT, and we have various events going on. Starting with the guest talk, we have various other contests.
From paper presentation, poster presentation, web design, CAD modeling, electrician quiz, and many other events.
We've decided to go online this year, taking into consideration the safety measures of COVID-19. The best part of this fest is it has no registration fee but has exciting cash prizes.
What's up guys, hope you are staying positive and testing negative. TCA department has again come up with the annual technical fest Synapse this year. As a part of it, I am here to talk you through the highlights of various events. We have quite a number of technical events like paper presentations, poster presentations, etc. and other non-technical events like treasure hunt, Mario Systems. Wow, how cool is that? This time around, all the events are online and the best part being there is no registration fee at all. And winners are awarded with exciting cash prizes. So hurry up and hope to see you online on 3rd and 4th of March.
Hi guys, as a part of SUDI, Civil Engineering Department is conducting Civilizations 2K21, which is online mode on 3rd and 4th of March.
The first of its kind, it is going to be online. We have about 10 events, which are both technical events and fun events. So this is the best platform for the civil engineering students to showcase their both technical and paper presentation skills. So hope to see you guys on March 3rd and 4th. So guys, what are you waiting for? Click the registration button and also follow our Instagram ID civilizations_2k21 and also our website civilization.cbit.org.in. So we are hoping to see you all.
Government of India endeavors to develop efficient and affordable payment systems in the country with a focus to provide a bouquet of e-payment options to the people of the country.
The 21st century is of innovations and inventions. Now the news spreads all over the country digitally, e-newspapers, social media and news portals have been a big part of it.
Spreading awareness regarding cyber security, spam mails, spam calls, data theft, and cyber attacks is getting mandatory these days.
Digital Transaction Competency Club at CBIT aims to achieve objective of awareness regarding digital transaction, e-news and cyber security among faculty and students in CBIT.
Hello everyone, we are here to represent our Departmental Technical Fest Elected SUDI 2021.
Here we showcase the events with lots of fun and technicality. Though it is an online fest, for fun and enjoyment there are no boundaries. Come join on March 3rd and 4th.
Hey, this is Jaswan.
And I'm Abhigna.
We are working as student coordinators for the Fest Ecstasy conducted by IT department as a part of SUDI, which is a two-day national level fest.
There are around 14 events this year. They are a mixture of technical and fun, and the entire event is online. So come join us. There is also no entry fee and they are waiting for you.
Bringing together life sciences and technology, this year's NeoXeon 2021 being held as a part of the annual National Technical Symposium SUDI 2021 is presented by Department of Biotechnology. We have not just live projects, poster presentations and paper presentations. We also have a bunch of fun events like bioquiz and biohackathon apart from non-technical events. This event is open not just for students of life sciences but any relevant stream to biotechnology all across the country. Hope to see you there.
EWP is a club under technical department. It is a non-profitable organization and a part of EWP India. The main aim of our club is to produce constructive change by including engineers and professionals.
Coming to the events of EWB CBIT, we have conducted a COVID relief camp during the pandemic. To the government school children, we have conducted a career guidance program, and also we have conducted on the match day quiz elocutions and competitions to the government school children.
Are number your best friends? If yes, you are into the right club. We are from Ramanjan Maths Club. I am Shivani, she is Kirtana. We are the vice president of the club, and she is Susain, the president of our club. The club was founded by Dr. P. Raj Reddy and with faculty coordinators Dr. M. Mamta Thakur and Mr. M. Amarnath sir.
We understand how mathematics is quite a daunting subject for a lot of us, and it is rightfully so. We at RMC try to integrate you in different activities so that maths will be more than just a subject for your semester and examination and help you to understand the reality around us in a more better way.
RMC being one of the youngest clubs of CBIT, we had a unique experience conducting events in our technical and cultural events like Shruti and Sudhi. We have also conducted a national level e-quiz during the lockdown where around 1,000 participants from reputed institutions all around the world like IITs and NITs have participated.
Maths is not only for solving the problems for any examination, but it's very useful and analytical way to crack many exams like GRE and GATE.
We hope you all can come together and enjoy the journey of mathematics with us.
From organizing various awareness campaigns to blood donation camps, we lend our heart and soul to every such cause. We are the volunteers of CBIT NSS.
NSS stands for National Social Service. CBIT NSS was inaugurated on 29 September 2007 under the leadership of P. Sridhar Rao sir, and our present NSS officer is M. Ganeshwar Rao sir from Mathematics Department.
The club is driven by the sole motto of service to people through the best possible way, and all our activities are conducted with the intention of serving the staff and students in the one way or the other. Some of our main events include drug abuse and drug awareness, health camps for staff, blood donation camp, anti-ragging awareness, Women's Day celebration.
Not me.
Not me. Not me. Not me. Not me. But you.
Hi, we are from CBIT Photography Club. The club was founded by Jagannath on August 19, 2015. The club has presently 40 active members. The main aim of this club is not to hire any photographers from outside. We have been working on many events from the past few years. We would like to contribute to the college as much as possible.